This question is from part test 2 and the subject name is operating system and the topic name is file system and it is of 2 marks. Let us see the question. Consider a disk system with 200 cylinder which 0 to 199. The request to access the cylinder occur in the following sequence: 53, 35, 121, 175, 85, 12, 98, 140. Assuming head is currently at cylinder 65 and it is moving towards the cylinder 0. It takes 1 millisecond to move from one cylinder to adjacent. The time taken to satisfy all requests using elevator algorithm is. Before going to solve this problem, we have to learn what is meant by elevator algorithm, which is nothing but a scan algorithm. In this one, disk arm starts at one end in increasing or decreasing order, servicing request as it reached each cylinder until it gets to the other end of the disk. At the other end, the direction of the head movement is reversed and servicing is continuous. Let us apply this algorithm for the sequence. Let us take the sequence as 0, 12, 35. We have to draw the diagram for this one, and the head initially starts at 65, right? According to this algorithm, we have to move from 65 to the other end, that is nothing but 0. When it is going to the 0, it will serve all the requests, that is nothing but 53, 35, 12. It reaches the other end. So from this 0, it will go to the last end, which is nothing but 175. By requesting all the servicing all the requests, that is nothing but 85, 98, 121, 140 and then 175. So from this one we have to calculate the time taken to satisfy the request. So what is the time? Head goes from 65 to 0 and 0 to 175, right? From 65 to 0, that is 65 minus 0, nothing but 65. From 0 to 175, 175 minus 0, which is nothing but 175. The total is 65 plus 175, which is equal to 240. So from this question, what we learn, what is meant by elevator algorithm and how to find the time taken to complete the request using elevator algorithm. Thank you.